Hey, what is going on, guys? So, the question today is what exactly is inside a fidget cube? Well, let's bring it to my desk and let's take this bad boy apart. All right, so let me go ahead and give me some room, and I'll go ahead and open this one up here. Let me just move this stuff out of the way here. All right, I'm not even sure where I'm going to begin on this, but let me just give you a closer view of the actual cube here. And I guess I can probably try to get in one of these grooves here. Let me, maybe I can crack this a little bit. You know what? I shouldn't do it on the desk. Let me go on the floor. And of course I need my safety goggles on just in case. Alright, so let me move this out of the way. Not sure exactly what tools I'm going to need, but here is the fidget cube here. And let's see how to take this apart. I see grooves in here now, okay? Maybe this is glued together. You can see here on the side. Let me see if I can just pry this open. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there we go. It's in. Oh, wow, look at that. Just comes right off. Oh, stuff just fell out of here. Part of the combination lock. One of the wheels came off right here. Let's go ahead and... Oh. Oh, no, look at that. Hey. This was the big clicker ball that you roll. I think this was like over here. You can like click it and you can like roll it around. Wow, it's a nice steel little ball. Let me get my magnet over here. Let me see if this... Okay, cool. Oh, I caught that one well. But not this ball here. Nope. And we can see... Oh, wow. This is the buttons on the... For the dice here. And three of them are supposed to click. Oh, cool. Okay, well, all of these click here. Okay, if this was the real Anti-Labs, the real genuine fidget cube from Anti-Labs, all of them don't click. Only 3 of them do. 1, 2, 3. These 2 side ones don't click. All right, but this one here, all of them clicks, as you can see on here. And there's the light switch here. Let me see if I can get the rest of this. It's definitely not easy, especially doing this like on the floor. Oh yeah. Okay, it's starting to come off now. Starting to come out. Oh, it just snapped back on. Did you see that? Let me try to get that again. Okay, there we go. Oh. Okay, some stuff just came off here. That just came off. There's the joystick button. Here's the outer shell. Not even sure what that is. And let's look on here. Ah, looks like there was like a little screw in here. I busted one of the screws. Let me go ahead and in here and get my toolkit. It's probably like a 1 here. Yeah. Let me go ahead and unscrew that part. And that's almost out. Come on. All right, so this screw is out. And let's see what else is in here. I'm not really sure. Okay, so one of the buttons like fell out. We have the, you can see the combination lock. Looks like this piece here was on all of these. Like that. That's off. We got the ball out. Here's one of the buttons that fell off here. Oh wow, cool. This one still clicks. Look, if you can hear it. Little button that still clicks. I'm trying to figure out what else are we supposed to take off of here then. There's nothing else really on here. So we got the buttons here, the ball here, the combination lock here. We have the joystick here. I'm not even sure where this piece went. Oh, what is this here? Where did this come off at? There's another ball here. I'm not even sure what this one is for. I guess we can try to break this a little bit further then and see what's exactly inside. I think it's just a plastic piece though, but let's see. Oh, shoot. Man, see all this plastic black pieces all coming off all over the place. I think that's pretty much it. It's pretty much emptying, guys. So this is like all the components that came with it. I'm going to have to do a breakdown of the actual ANSI Labs. I'll do a comparison between a knockoff brand versus the real genuine Fidget Cube by ANSI Labs. So anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. That's the stuff that it comes with here. You can see, let me bring my magnet over here. Let's see what it picks up. Okay. It has a couple things. Doesn't pick up this ball though. You can see some of the stuff that it picked up, some of the screws and some other components. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.